Hello everyone, I am going to start WordPress. You will see here, I will write here WordPress.org. We will enter it and go here. You see, get WordPress. We will click it. You will see here download and install. We will click it and you have to click it here. So it is completed. I have already installed it, so I'll show it in my downloads. So come to my downloads and it is here, you see. I will delete it because I already have it. So for WordPress we need two things, which is Xampp. I have given you a video in my channel for Xampp. So by Xampp you will link to the WordPress. And the second thing is MySql Workbench. For MySql, come here, MySql. So for MySql you need MySql Workbench 8.0, right? And you need a command line client and MySql shell and a Unicode file. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th is MySql installer. You will get through internet easily. So for Xampp I have given you the video, and for PHP MyAdmin I have given you video. Both videos are available on my channel. You can go and check it out. So I will do a thing that I will copy this WordPress and I will go to, I have installed my Xampp file in my D drive. Okay, so I have named my Xampp as install Xampp. So I will search it for install Xampp. Okay, I will go to it. So they are not showing it in here. Install Xampp. So one thing I can do is to go manually. I will open it. I will go to D drive. Okay, you see here install Xampp is here. So I will click it. You see the folder names here: Apache, bin, FileZilla, FTP, htdocs, local, everything is here, which is a complete setup to run your WordPress. So Xampp is actually to link your database to your PHP MyAdmin. Say, then you will go to htdocs and you will paste your file of WordPress here. So one thing you have to do it here is to extract it. Okay, extract it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will wait to check it for when it will be completed. It is 6% done. So I will show you Xampp how it looks like. So in first option there is Apache. So second option is MySql. So you have to see it 3306. So it is a port number. So you have to set it, and it is a default port. So you see here, if you get any error, you can check it into the log file by clicking it here. Okay, like here. So if there is any error, it will show you, but now there is no error. So you can stop it, start it, stop it, and start it. So these two things are necessary to run your MySql database system. Okay, now I will show you MySQL workbench. Here you will set your database connection, MySQL connection. Click here. Okay. Set your host name, your port number, your username. It is up to you what you set. But default name is root. It's up to you set a password for your MySQL connection or not. Okay. You can give here connection name. Now, after that, you have to test the connection. Click OK. Now I will close it. Now I will show you another thing. Here is database. You have to connect it to your database. So here you click OK. It will be connected to your previously created connection. Okay, or whatever connections you have made, it will be connected according to your requirements. Okay, then you will click OK. It will show you your database system and everything. I have actually put it a video on my channel which will show you how this database will look like and how will you connect it and how will you set name of your database. I will upload many things here for creating tables and database and everything and how user will access it. So keep connected to me. Now I will come back to the my DJ where I have extracted. It is not extracted. Why it is not extracted? I'll extract it. Okay. It is extracted. So this file is here. You can cut it. It's up to you. It is deleted. It is deleted. Okay. Now you can write any name here for WordPress. It depends on you. Okay. So it is everything you need to know about when you are getting started with WordPress. So you see, we will see WordPress what it has. So it has a WP admin. So if you're making yourself a WordPress website, so you are the admin of WordPress. Now here your content will come here. Include here everything: text, sitemap, request, Pomo, PHP, Malware, CSS, everything. And it has a license, WordPress license. So you can see it by yourself and you can read this file, which is saying the first thing it is written here. You see how to install WordPress. WP admin install PHP. So it is written on PHP. Right? Then we will, if you did not enter a password, not the password given to you. If you did not provide a username, it will be admin. So your default username is admin. You can go to login page. You can see it here. It's a PHP code. So I will come back to it. I'll go back. So it has everything: sign up, login, load, link, sample, post, everything header. I'll go to admin. We'll go to include. You can check out all the files. It has sockets and plugins. So for now, it's done. The main thing is go to here. It says hooray from my side too. So it's all for today. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.